Undoubtedly, one of the biggest technological advances in recent years has been the development of cryptocurrencies, the newest class of digital assets. The cryptocurrency industry has been instrumental in advancing numerous important advancements, notably in 2021. To achieve spectacular growth, cryptocurrencies have gone through three key stages: adoption, innovation, and integration. But it's also critical to consider the potential of cryptocurrencies and what that means for all of us. What major developments in the cryptocurrency space can you anticipate in 2022? Before we continue, welcome to our channel. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this. So let us dig into it. After the enormous growth in 2021, experts warn that 2022 may be a slow year. People's interest in cryptocurrencies has significantly increased during the past year. It's interesting to note that cryptocurrency is no longer only a topic for investors. A lot of well-known people are now associated with it. The discussion that follows enables you to gain a general understanding of future Bitcoin projections and their implications for investors. To be ready for changes in the cryptocurrency ecosystem over the next 5 to 10 years, it may be helpful to have an awareness of the potential future for cryptocurrencies. Top predictions for cryptocurrencies' future. One of the most important occurrences in modern times has undoubtedly been the development of cryptocurrencies. Ever since Bitcoin first appeared, people have been leery of cryptocurrencies. The interest in crypto-based solutions is growing, nevertheless, as a result of the changing times. The current condition of cryptocurrencies unquestionably provides the ideal basis for optimistic cryptocurrency future predictions. On the other hand, given the volatility of cryptocurrencies, predicting their future is challenging. Some improbable forecasts of long-term developments in the cryptocurrency world express optimism for the technology's future. In the meantime, it's necessary to keep an eye out for the crucial elements that could clearly define the future application of cryptocurrencies. How, for instance, would future cryptocurrency rules develop? Similar to that, there are a few more important factors that will affect cryptocurrencies in 2022. The main predictions for the future of cryptocurrencies in 2022 and beyond are summarized below. Regulations of cryptocurrencies. The concerns about unpredictability in the cryptocurrency world frequently revolve around queries about crypto legislation. Even though lawmakers have not yet taken any concrete action in this direction, it is impossible to ignore the importance of legislation for the development of cryptocurrency over the next 5 years. All that is available right now is a lot of discussion about regulating cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, it is impossible to ignore the progressive changes in cryptocurrency rules. For instance, US government representatives have been paying attention to stablecoin legislation. To protect investor safety, legislators around the world are attempting to identify relevant precedents for crypto laws. The main problem for the cryptocurrency business is regulations, and the longer they take to pass, the more at risk crypto users are. Investors are likely to have a stronger assurance of the safety of their cryptocurrencies without stricter rules. On the other hand, it can be difficult to forecast how long-term laws for cryptocurrencies will be. How? For implementing universal crypto rules globally, the perceptions of cryptocurrencies in various jurisdictions pose serious problems. For instance, some nations tax cryptocurrency transactions while others entirely outlaw them. Therefore, it is obvious that crypto laws would remove a significant barrier to the development of cryptocurrencies. Regulations for cryptocurrencies effects. Cryptocurrency's utility and how people view it has a lot to do with claims that it will be the next great thing in technology. Regulations for cryptocurrencies would significantly affect investors and the future of cryptocurrencies. Initiatives for crypto tax reporting included in President Biden's $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure package may enhance citizen traceability for cryptocurrency activity. Investors in cryptocurrencies may be able to record their transactions under new tax regulations in the US. New initiatives like the introduction of 1099-B tax forms with cost-basis data could aid in easing the difficulties associated with crypto tax filing. Regulations may also have an impact on the future use of cryptocurrencies by affecting their pricing in markets that are prone to volatility. Any trend in market volatility could be seen in the event of regulatory changes. However, crypto laws would only boost public confidence in the technology, which would boost demand for crypto assets. Crypto ETF Acceptance. Among the reliable highlights of Bitcoin's future predictions for 2022 and beyond, the Crypto ETF has emerged. The first ever Bitcoin ETF, which debuted on the New York Stock Exchange in October 2021, is the key milestone in this movement. The existence of a novel and established method for investing in cryptocurrencies is one of the key aspects of the approval of the crypto ETF. The BITO Bitcoin ETF allows investors to purchase cryptocurrencies directly from conventional investing brokerages. Simply put, crypto ETFs pave the way for the incorporation of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance. On the other hand, BITO ETF is not the only option. According to Bitcoin's future forecast regarding ETF, experts have noted that the ETF only holds a stake in Bitcoin and does not directly own any other cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, the ETF contains Bitcoin futures contracts, which follow overall cryptocurrency trends. However, the acceptance of crypto ETFs like BITO is a positive development in the key elements that will determine the future of cryptocurrencies. Effects of the crypto ETF. When a new development presents particular obstacles, it is critical to look for appropriate answers. As a result, questions about the reliability of crypto ETFs may play a key part in determining how best to use them. But in the first few weeks, BITO showed a large trading volume. Increasing the availability of crypto assets in conventional financial products can also promote the acceptance of crypto. The future ramifications of Bitcoin ETF would also indicate how customers can immediately add cryptocurrencies to their portfolios from a brokerage. Keep in mind that you would use this brokerage regularly for a retirement account or a standard investing account. While crypto ETFs may have favorable effects on the acceptance of cryptocurrencies by the general public, it is vital to consider the hazards as well. Since they are cryptocurrency derivatives, they have the same risks as all other cryptocurrency investments. With a few unique obstacles of their own, crypto ETFs are undoubtedly one of the key highlights for the future of cryptocurrency in the next 5 years. Like with any other crypto asset, investors may think about taking risks with their investments in crypto ETFs. Crypto ETFs will be a game-changing factor in the future of cryptocurrencies if they are effective in enabling the integration of cryptocurrencies in traditional finance. A rise in institutional adoption. In terms of long-term Bitcoin predictions, institutional adoption is frequently cited as the most important highlight. Across a range of industries, mainstream businesses have started putting effort and interest into blockchain and cryptocurrencies. One of the well-known companies that have declared the acceptance of cryptocurrency payments by the end of 2022 is AMC. PayPal and Square are only two more famous examples. Companies that accept digital payments are creating the ideal scenario to demonstrate that cryptocurrencies are the real next big thing. On their platforms, they both have cryptocurrency payments enabled. Additionally, one should take note of how Tesla, a well-known innovator, took the initiative to accept Bitcoin payments before breaking its word. Tesla still possesses crypto assets worth billions even if it didn't keep its promise. One of the key elements influencing the institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies is the enormous interest in them. The adoption of cryptocurrencies by larger international corporations will determine the currency's destiny at this time. Involving larger institutions is a helpful strategy for enhancing confidence and trust. For instance, a major retailer like Amazon would start a chain reaction that would ultimately increase the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies. It's interesting to note that Amazon recently sparked debate with a job advertising for a Bitcoin product lead. Additionally, Walmart is looking for cryptocurrency specialists to direct its strategic approach to blockchain transformation. How will cryptocurrency adoption by institutions impact investors? Institutional crypto adoption's effects on investors. Cryptocurrencies are only being prevented from entering common financial use cases, such as everyday payments, by a lack of awareness. Work and shoppers frequently buy clothing with cryptocurrency. However, if major shops begin accepting Bitcoin payments, the future potential of cryptocurrencies may change. The daily value benefits for cryptocurrency users could increase in the future, even though research is still being done on how volatile cryptocurrencies can suit institutional use cases. You could also see more stability in crypto prices with the large volume of adoption. It is crucial to consider how real use cases for cryptocurrencies and practical applications might raise their value and demand. In 2022 and beyond, cryptocurrency's future is rather unknown. During the epidemic, cryptocurrency usage rose by unbelievable margins, and in 2021, the market saw enormous levels of trade activity. The institutional use of cryptocurrencies is prioritized along with regulation and approval for crypto ETFs in the cryptocurrency future predictions for 2022. All of these elements would impact not just the overall cryptocurrency market, but also how individuals and businesses interact with it. Cryptocurrency has the potential to displace several traditional financial products in the long run. It can, however, also be used in conjunction with already available financial services and products. Conclusive implications for higher crypto adoption rates are presented by the perception of real value associated with cryptocurrencies and their new uses for them. To learn more about cryptocurrencies and the broader crypto industry, to get a better understanding of their potential, stay up to date by subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification bell. Bye.